Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to erase everything in your iPhone, no matter which types of iPhone you are using, 15, 14, 13, 12 or 10. You can do same process of each and every iPhone product. You can apply this process, erase entire data, factory setting, or erase just only data. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a demonstration. How to format completely or reset factory setting on iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can do same process of different iPhones also. Just simply tap in setting. Inside the setting here, top of the screen, your profile, you need to first of all sign out here. Sign out point of view, you need to add your password. After that, done. And look at this, successfully sign out, copy iCloud data. Before format, you need to back up your phone. So look at this, sign out. After that, click here general and scroll down, and last option, transfer or reset iPhone. Just simply tab here and look at this here. Two types of options are available. One is a reset and is a reset all content and setting. So you need to reset. So reset, so many options are available. Reset all setting, reset network, delete all eSIM, but erase the data. You delete everything, like how many data is available, like a 53 gigabytes storage is available, some eSIM related informations are available. So which one you want select, you decide first of all, and then you do this process. You need to continue, erase this iPhone. I want to erase everything. So just simply keep eSIM and erase the data, delete eSIM and erase the data, keep eSIM and erase the data. I go with this. So without erasing your eSIM, you also format entire mobile phone also, or reset factory. So this is a simple process to delete entire data from your latest iPhone or old iPhone. We can wait couple of seconds to complete this process. Now again restart iPhone. The entire process you can spend time around 5 to 10 minutes. Format and installation point of view, you need enough battery space in your iPhone. So look at this here, format is completed. I just simply scroll, and after that you need to select the language. I select the language, select of your country, region, accordingly you select here, then continue. Setup without another device, tap, you select here the language, customize setting, no need to Urdu, no need to Telugu, we go with English. Delete this keyboard options also, continue. You need to add here the Wi-Fi, continue. Data and privacy, set up myself, face ID, continue. Set up later, pin code. Don't transfer anything. If you want transfer, you can transfer. You need to add here ID. So I just simply type here my Apple ID. I am receiving two factory setting OTP on my mobile number. Verification almost is done. Agree. And this is a process to reset factory setting and remove entire data on your iPhone. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.